Welcome back to Auto Garage, the channel where we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most luxurious in the automotive world. If you love innovation, performance, and design wrapped in pure elegance, make sure to stay with us, because what we're about to unveil will leave you stunned. Today, we're diving into the ultra-luxurious and power-packed 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680. The Maybach SL 680 is not just a car, it's an experience. Mercedes has taken its legacy of craftsmanship and combined it with cutting-edge technology to create a convertible grand tour that redefines what luxury means on four wheels. Built off the iconic SL Class platform, the SL 680 receives a Maybach treatment, and the result is a car that feels like it belongs in a private jet hangar or beside a mega yacht. Let's talk about the exterior first. The SL 680 arrives with a unique Maybach grille that commands attention, featuring vertical chrome slats and the prominent Maybach badge. The long sculpted hood, elegant shoulder lines, and sleek LED light signature give an unmistakable presence. You also get exclusive Maybach two-tone paint options and massive forged alloy wheels that instantly let you know this is no ordinary SL. Under the hood, things get just as serious. Powering this beauty is a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 bi-turbo engine, delivering a staggering 621 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. This beast can sprint from 0 to 60 in just around 3.8 seconds, which is wild for a car this opulent. Mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission and featuring 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, the SL 680 delivers seamless acceleration with a calm, confident road feel. Now, step inside and the real magic begins. The interior is a symphony of hand-stitched Napa leather, polished wood, and brushed metal. It's more than a cabin. It's a luxury suite on wheels. Both driver and passenger are greeted with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, while the rear sees a beautifully sculpted space tailored for comfort and serenity. The Maybach SL 680 even includes special fragrance diffusers and active noise cancellation for a spa-like experience during long drives. Technology is as lavish as the materials. A massive OLED touchscreen, the latest MBUX infotainment system, augmented reality navigation, and a Burmester 4D surround sound system elevate every journey. And of course, you get the signature Maybach animations and ambient lighting to match your mood. Safety? You're covered with all the advanced features Mercedes offers. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, night vision, and more. In a world where most cars are focused on either performance or comfort, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 brings both in an impossibly elegant package. It's not just a car, it's a statement of power, taste, and prestige. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible cars like this. We'll see you in the next one.